Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone of ammonia urea fertilizer project of the Assam Valley Fertilizer and Chemical Company Limited at Namrup in northeastern state of Assam. Addressing the gathering, the Prime Minister said that Assam has picked up a new momentum of development and added that his government is placing the farmers' welfare at the center of all its efforts. This report navigates through what the Prime Minister did and say in Upper Assam.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone of ammonia urea fertilizer project of the Assam Valley Fertilizer and Chemical Company Limited at Namrup in Dibrugarh, Assam on Sunday. Underlining that in building a developed India, PM Modi said the role of Eastern India and the Northeast is continuously increasing, reiterating that Eastern India will become the growth engine of the nation's development. He pointed out that the new Namrup unit is a symbol of transformation in the region.
विकसित भारत के निर्माण में देश के किसानों की, यहां के अन्नदाताओं की बहुत बड़ी भूमिका है। इसलिए हमारी सरकार किसानों के हितों को सर्वोपरि रखते हुए दिन रात काम कर रही है। यहां आप सभी को किसान हितैषी योजनाओं का लाभ दिया जा रहा है। कृषि कल्याण की योजनाओं के बीच ये भी जरूरी है कि हमारे किसानों को खाद की निरंतर सप्लाई मिलती रहे। आने वाले समय में ये यूरिया कारखाना ये सुनिश्चित करेगा।
Ammonia urea fertilizer project in Namrup, Assam, with an estimated investment of over 10,600 crore rupees, will meet fertilizer requirements of Assam and neighboring states, reduce import dependence, generate substantial employment, and catalyze regional economic development. The project stands as a cornerstone of industrial revival and farmer welfare. Earlier, Prime Minister paid tribute to the martyrs of the Assam agitation and anti-foreigners movement at Shohid Smarak Kshetra in Guwahati, Assam. The memorial features an eternal flame honoring the 860 martyrs of the six-year movement that ended in 1985. Bureau Report, DD India.